Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about coins probability. Now, what are the coins? Coins are the rupees like 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, or 10 rupees coin. And probability. Probability is a chance or a possibility to something happen. Okay. Now we have to discuss about probability through coins. Okay. If I toss one coin toss. So first question is one coin toss. Then what are the possibilities that head comes or tail comes? Okay, I show you through coin only. Through 1 rupees coin. Wait. Here's a 1 rupee coin. So you see the head of 1 rupees coin. If I turn it, then it is a tail of 1 rupees coin. Now, if I toss it, so it will become head. So in sample space, maybe it is head, or sometime if I toss it again, then I got tail. Okay, sometime we got head and sometime we got tail. Now we have to check how many numbers of members in sample space. So number of members in sample space. So 2. Why would take 2? Because when we toss one coin, then we got two cases that head or tail. So 2 raised to power 1. 1 is number of coins. जो पावर होगी वो डिनोट करेगी number of coins tossed. Number of coins tossed. 2 raised to power 1 means 2 को 1 time लिखना है. Similarly, if I want to check number of members in sample space, when 2 coins tossed, as you all know that we are having two cases like head or tail, that's why I write 2. So 2 raised to power 2. Why raised to power 2? Because there are 2 coins tossed. 2 raised to power 2 means we have to write 2 times. So 2 to the 4. So when we toss 2 coins together, then we got 4 members in sample space. So write the sample space. When 2 coins are tossed, that firstly head tail, tail head, tail. I explain through with the help of coins. Okay, students, I take 2 coins of rupees 2. So when I toss 2 coins of 2, firstly both become head. Okay, in second toss, I take another 2 coins to show you the sample space, that head and tail, and with another coins I show you that tail, head. Maybe both becomes tails, so with 4. Okay, now see the coins. These are the sample space now. So when we toss 2 coins together, then we got head tail, tail head, tail. Okay, now we have to solve questions on the basis of coins. So first question is, find the probability of head when 1 coin is tossed. First we have to write the sample space of 1 coin tossed. As we know, sample space start with curly braces. When we tossed 1 coin, we got head, comma, tail. So total cases 2. Why 2? Because we have to count the number of members in sample space. It is 2. Now we have to find the favorable case. Now what is a favorable cases? That we have to find the probability of head now. So chances of head is called favorable cases. How many heads are there? Only 1. So So one case is of for coming head. So in bracket we have to write head. Okay, now we have to find the probability of head comes. So first we have to write the formula, that is favorable cases upon total cases. So how many favorable cases are there? 1, and total cases are 2. Similarly, if we have to find the probability of tail when one coin is tossed, then same probability is there, na? That is 1/2. Clear? Now we have to do probability of two heads comes when 2 coins tossed. Now we have to discuss second question. Find probability of 2 heads comes up when 2 coins tossed. So first we have to write the sample space when 2 coins are tossed. So sample space is head head, comma, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Okay, now we have to see that how many 2 heads comes up. Probability we have to check na. So we have to see in sample space. Here is only one case na, that on both coins are head head is here. So favorable case is 1 and total cases 4. Why 4? 4 members in sample space. So what is the probability? That is 1/4. Sometimes they say that one coin tossed twice. One coin tossed twice. Twice mean 2 times. If they say thrice, that one coin tossed thrice, that 3 times. Clear? Now we have to discuss about the words like exact. Now we have to discuss the words exactly, at most, and at least. The most important words are exactly, at most, at least. Now exactly means, like I am saying that we have to find the probability of 2 heads. Then on both coins 2 heads are there. Okay, at most. जो नंबर हम बोल रहे हैं उस नंबर से कम होना चाहिए या वो नंबर खुद होना चाहिए. At least, like at least 2. So 2 or 2 से more than. Clear? Now we have to do question on basis of these words. So questions are, so first question is find probability of exactly 2 tails comes when 2 coins toss. Exactly 2 means 2 ही होने चाहिए, ना उससे ज़्यादा ना उससे कम. Okay, now we have to see in sample space when 2 tails comes, that here is a one case. So favorable case. So firstly in solution we have to write favorable case is tail tail. So number of favorable cases 1. As we know total case 4. So probability formula, as we know that favorable cases upon total cases. Now we have to find the probability here. So probability is equal to favorable case, that is 1, and total case is 4. So 1/4 is probability. Now we have to find out the second answer. That second question first we read. Find probability of at most 2 head comes when 2 coins are tossed. At most 2 heads means that 2 या 2 से कम. ओके, 2 या 2 से कम होने चाहिए. 2 से कम या तो 2 हेड, 2 से कम 1, 1 से कम 0. यही 2 केस बनते हैं. या तो 2 हेड होंगे या 1 हेड होगा या हेड होगा ही नहीं. क्लियर? एज वी नो अबाउट सैंपल स्पेस, दैट इज हेड हेड, देन हेड टेल, tail head, tail tail. Now we have to find the favorable cases. Okay, so favorable cases 2 head होंगे, that head head. So 1 head होगा तो head tail और tail head. So कोई भी head नहीं होगा तो tail tail. So 4 cases आ गए ना, तो number of favorable cases are 4 and total cases are 4. So probability become 4 cut with each other, then probability is 1. और probability 1 कब आती है? जब वो sure event हो. Clear? Now third question, find probability of at least one tails comes when 2 coins are tossed. At least one या 1 से ज्यादा, 1 और 1 से ज्यादा 2. जब हम 2 कॉइन टॉस कर रहे हैं या तो एक बार टेल आएगा या फिर 2 टाइम टेल आएगा, क्योंकि एटलीस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. सो एज वी सी द सैंपल स्पेस हेयर, look at here, 1 time tail, head tail head, both are having 1 time tail na. So first we write the favorable cases, head tail head. So at least I say na, at least 1, so we have to write 2 times tail also. So probability is 3/4. So always, I hope you understand this question, and always remember that probability lies between 0 and 1. Probability is greater than 0 and less than equal to 1. Probability हमेशा 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई करती है. अगर probability 1 आ जाए किसी इवेंट की तो होती है probability sure इवेंट की. Clear? Thank you.